We're here at 40 Foley Square. This is the federal courthouse where federal prosecutors hope to try Luigi Mangione and charge him with the death penalty over the death of Brian Thompson. Luigi Mangione is the very first capital defendant of the second Trump administration where the death penalty is sought. You may recall that at the end of his first term, Donald Trump ended it with an unprecedented streak of 13 federal executions, more than any other president in the modern era. As soon as Trump took office in January, he reinstituted the federal death penalty after a 4-year moratorium by the Biden administration. And then in April, Attorney General Pam Bondi announced that the Trump administration would be seeking the death penalty against Luigi Mangione before the Justice Department had even filed an indictment against him, charging death-eligible offenses. Days later, she went on Fox News and doubled down on this decision. There's a rule book in the Justice Department that calls for a very specific procedure before you announce the death penalty against someone. And in this case, none of it was followed. Before you even seek an indictment, there must be a very extenuating process where the prosecution and the defense engage in a discussion whether even the death penalty is appropriate. And in this case, Pam Bondi went ahead and made the decision, almost blindsiding the legal team completely. Part of the aggravating factors against Luigi Mangione include that his act was premeditated. Also, the fact that this happened in a way that could have caused harm to other people around and was an act of political violence. The judge hasn't yet ruled on whether the decision to seek the death penalty against Luigi Mangione was unlawful or unconstitutional, but she has left the door open for the defense team to raise any questions about this pre-indictment conduct by the government. If you want to learn more about how the Justice Department went about seeking the death penalty, not just in the Luigi Mangione case, but in other cases, go read my piece at VanityFair.com.